What's up guys? Ngayon ito nagbabankiring na kami. Ibig sabihin na bankiring guys, nagkakarga kami ng fuel oil, gasolina. Nagkakarga kami ng gasolina. Ship to ship operations. Ito si motor tanker Amber 2, bankiring diesel. Kapitan nito guys, Pilipino din. Tapos yung crew is halo, Indiano at saka Pinoy. Ang barko nila. Bunkering time about 4 to 5 hours. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching. Watch out for more. Please like my videos, comments, leave comments, follows.